Are you spending a fortune on skincare products and hair treatments but not seeing the results you want? Sometimes the best way to nourish your skin and hair is through the foods you eat that can transform your skin and hair from the inside out. In this video, we'll reveal 8 fruits for healthy skin and hair growth. These fruits are full of vitamins, hydration, and antioxidants that will leave your skin glowing and your hair looking healthy and vibrant. Let's get started and see which fruits will give you the boost you've been looking for. Kicking off our list at number 8 are oranges. Did you know that oranges could be the key to maintaining a full head of hair? These vibrant fruits are more than just a tasty snack. They're a powerhouse of vitamin C. But what does vitamin C have to do with your hair? Vitamin C is crucial for making collagen in your body. Collagen is like the building blocks for your hair. It helps make your hair strong and keeps it from falling out. When you eat oranges, you're giving your body what it needs to make more collagen. Dr. Harish Kautam, a chief dermatologist, says, fruits are enriched with multiple vitamins and minerals, which is highly beneficial for your hair. This means that oranges aren't just good for your hair, they're great for your overall health too. Moreover, vitamin C protects your blood vessels. This includes the tiny blood vessels that bring nutrients to your scalp and hair follicles. When these vessels are healthy, your hair gets all the good stuff it needs to grow strong and shiny. But how can you add more oranges to your meals? You can enjoy them as a quick snack between meals, or try adding orange slices to your salad for a zesty twist. Remember, healthy hair starts from within. Eating the right foods like oranges can make a big difference. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some oranges. At number 7, we have guava. This little green fruit contains even more vitamin C than oranges. That's right, guava is a vitamin C powerhouse. When you eat guavas, you're giving your body vitamin C, so it can boost the production of collagen to keep your hair healthy and strong. This fruit is also rich in antioxidants. These powerful compounds help fight something called oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is like rust on your hair. It can cause damage and breakage. By eating guavas, you're giving your hair a natural shield against this damage. And here's a fun fact. It's not just the fruit that's good for your hair. Guava leaves are also beneficial for hair health. They provide additional nutrients that support hair growth. So if you can get your hands on some guava leaves, you might want to consider adding them to your hair care routine too. To add guavas to your meals, enjoy these as a smoothie for a tropical twist, or if you're feeling creative, try making a guava salsa to top your favorite dishes. Here's a simple tip. You can even use guava to make a hair and scalp conditioner at home. Just mash up some guava fruit, mix it with a bit of lemon juice and honey, and you've got yourself a natural hair treatment. Next at number 6, we have peach. These are packed with vitamins and minerals that your body needs to keep your hair healthy and your skin glowing. Let's talk about what makes peaches so special. They're full of vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, fiber, and even a little protein. But how do peaches work their magic? The potassium and fiber in peaches help keep your blood flowing well. This is important because your hair needs a good blood supply to get all the nutrients it needs to grow. Peaches also have something called biotin, a natural hair growth helper. It supports the health of your hair and scalp without any bad side effect. Adding peaches to your diet is easy. Try adding some slices to your morning smoothie for a peachy kick, or toss some peach chunks into your salad for a sweet surprise. But peaches don't just help your hair grow. They also help keep your scalp healthy, which means fewer problems like dandruff or dryness. These problems can make it hard for your hair to grow well. At number 5, we have banana. Bananas are packed with vitamin B, which makes your hair strong and shiny. The vitamin B in bananas helps to strengthen your hair and prevent breakage. This means fewer split ends and less hair falling out when you brush. Moreover, bananas also contain natural oils that help soften your hair. This makes your hair smoother and shinier. It's like giving your hair a natural conditioning treatment every time you eat a banana. SkinCraft, a trusted source in skin and hair care, says, bananas have proven potential as a hair growth promoter and are great for soothing your hair from the damages caused by sun exposure, dust, and pollution. You can enjoy bananas in lots of ways. Try adding some slices to your morning cereal or oatmeal. If you're looking for a healthy snack, nothing beats a banana with some peanut butter. But bananas aren't just for eating. You can also use them to make a hair mask at home. Just mash up a ripe banana and spread it on your hair. Leave it on for about 15 minutes, then wash it out. Your hair will feel soft and look shiny. Next, at number 4, we have apple. This fruit can help make your hair have a natural glossy appearance. When you eat apples, you're giving your body what it needs to make keratin. Keratin is like the building blocks for your hair. It helps make your hair strong, smooth, and shiny. But that's not all apples can do for your hair. Apples help balance the pH of your scalp. This means they help keep your scalp at just the right level of acid or base. When your scalp pH is balanced, your hair can grow better. Apples support the growth of healthy hair and balance scalp pH, preventing hair loss. Apples are easy to add to your meals too. You can enjoy them as a quick snack by itself. Or try adding apple slices to your salad for a sweet crunch. If you're in a hurry, you can even grab some apple juice. Just make sure it's 100% juice with no added sugar. Taking the third spot are strawberries. These tiny red fruits are packed with nutrients that can work wonders for your hair. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C and vitamin B5. But how do these vitamins help your hair? We all know vitamin C boosts your collagen production, so now let's talk about vitamin B5. This vitamin has been shown to help prevent hair loss, it protects it from damage, and keeps it on your head where it belongs. But strawberries have another trick up their sleeve. They can help your body absorb iron better. Why is this important? Well, iron is crucial for keeping your hair healthy. When your body has enough iron, your hair gets all the nutrients it needs. A study from the journal Persegland Menopausalny found that eating strawberries can actually help your hair grow faster. It's like giving your hair a natural growth boost every time you enjoy these sweet berries. You can also make a hair mask out of strawberries too. Just mash up some strawberries and mix them with a little honey. Apply this mixture to your hair, leave it on for about 15 minutes, then rinse it out. By doing this, your hair will feel smooth and look shiny. Also include strawberries in your meals too. Think of eating strawberries as giving your hair a mini spa treatment from the inside out. Every time you munch on a strawberry or sip a strawberry smoothie, you're nourishing your hair from root to tip. Nearing the top of our list at number 2 are avocados. These green gems are not just for guacamole. They're packed with good stuff that can help your hair look amazing. Avocados are full of vitamins B, C, E, and beta-carotene. These are all very important for keeping your hair healthy and helping it grow. The healthy fats in avocados are like food for your hair. They help make your hair shinier and softer. But how do avocados work their magic? It's all about what's inside them. The California Avocado Commission says that just 1/3 of a medium avocado has nearly 20 vitamins and minerals. That's a lot of good stuff in one small package. These vitamins and minerals do more than just make your hair look good. They also help make your hair stronger. This means less hair falling out when you brush it. Avocados also help your body in another way. They bring more oxygen to your blood and make your blood vessels stronger. This allows more blood flow to your scalp. And when your scalp gets more blood, it can grow healthier hair. Now, you might be wondering how to add more avocados to your meals. It's easier than you think. You can enjoy avocados in lots of ways. Try adding some slices to your toast for breakfast. Or mash up an avocado and use it as a spread on your sandwich instead of mayo. Finally, at the top of our list, we have cherry. Cherries are rich in antioxidants. These are special substances that help protect your hair from damage. Think of antioxidants as tiny shields for your hair. They fight off harmful things that can make your hair weak and break easily. Cherries help keep your scalp moisturized and healthy. This means your hair can grow stronger and healthier roots. Here's something cool about cherries. They contain melatonin. Melatonin is a natural substance that helps you sleep better. You might be wondering, what does sleep have to do with my hair? Well, when you get good sleep, your body has time to repair and grow. This includes your hair. So, eating cherries can help you get your beauty sleep, which is good for your hair and skin. Adding cherries to your diet is easy and fun. You can include some cherries in your morning yogurt for a sweet kick. If you like smoothies, throw in a handful of cherries for a tasty and healthy boost. And there you have it. 8 fruits for healthy skin and hair growth. All these fruits have something special to offer for your hair and skin. They're like nature's own beauty products, working from the inside out. By eating these fruits regularly, you're giving your body what it needs to grow strong, healthy hair and keep your skin glowing. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Adding just one or two of these fruits to your daily routine can help improve your hair and skin health over time. Have you tried any of these fruits for better skin and hair? Which one is your go-to for beauty benefits? Share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear what works for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest health tips and information. Also, please don't forget to check out our merchandise for some cool stuff. And if this video has helped you, please consider sending us a super thanks. It's a great way to support our channel. Thank you for watching and take care of your health.